Welcome to niaimagination.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to sew a designer sleeves design. So please do subscribe if you didn't yet, and ring the bell with subscribe button to get notified as and when I upload my new video. So here is the design. This is the beautiful design which I am teaching you today with this bow, and you can apply such pearls or any stone on it. Okay, let's start with this. For this you require this much strip. So this is 2 inches widthwise, and lengthwise you can take uh, see lengthwise you can take almost 10 inches. Okay, and then fold it like so. Okay, we are making this 3 bows out of this. So after leaving just small margin, just go to sewing machine and sew it straight. Okay, see, I already stitched it, and just take thread and needle like so, insert it on one side corner which is folded. Okay, and then insert this needle inside so that we can turn it toward the right side of this loop. Okay, so see, in this fashion you will be able to turn it toward its right side. You can do the same with safety pin, that would more easier. Okay, see, now in this manner we are unturning it. It is easiest method to unturn it. Okay, and it will become its correct side when we will be able to unturn it. Okay, just take out the wrinkles and keep in pulling the loop out of it. Okay, so in this fashion we will be able to make it. See, and now we are going to iron it to make more finished. Okay, so see, just keep the stitched part toward the middle and then iron on it, so that you will be able to get finished part on one side and stitched part on one side. Okay, and with the help of inchi tape you are going to mark at each 2 inches. So just keep marking at each 2 inches like I am marking right now. Okay, so we require 3 bows for one sleeves. I already stitched one, so I am making this one sleeves. So for this I require 3 bows of 2 inches each. Then cut this like I am cutting. Okay, see, so first I am going to make this ladder like shape, and this in middle one design. For this design you require 1.5 inch widthwise. Okay, and then to what extent you require is just measure lengthwise. For example, the sleeves length is 6 inches, but I took 1 inches for margin, 1.5 inch for margin. So I will take somewhat more than required design, because it will come in stitch whenever I make it. Okay, so you require 2 lengths of this strip. It means 2 lengths of the sleeves. Just fold it from one side 1/2 inches and then fold it from another side. See, this is 1.5 inch widthwise. Okay, then iron it to make it more finished and neat and clean. Okay, see, I am ironing it. After ironing you are going to fold it toward another side like I am folding it. Okay, and then again iron it. See, I am ironing it. Keep folding and iron it till end. Now this is finished, and we fold it halfway and then cut from the middle part. See, I am cutting. Now you got 2 strips. See how to sew this on sewing machine straight away. We have these 3 bows and 2 strips. So we keep this wrong side toward my side, and wrong side of these bows where we stitched toward my side. Okay, now just keep these bows after leaving 1/2 inches or more than 1/2 inches from above. In my case it is 0.75 inches from above, and I am keeping this strip. Okay, this strip for bow, and then on the corner you are going to sew it. Now sew it on one edge and stop here and insert another one after leaving small margin like this, and keep sewing it. We are making this as stairs. Okay, so we are giving this stair like shape. Now after keeping another strip I am stitching it till end. I already stitched. Take another strip again, wrong side is toward my side, and I am keeping these ladder like this. Again we are going to keep same amount of we are going to leave same amount of margin from above and keep sewing it on the sewing machine, okay, on one corner of this, like I am doing here. Just keep sewing it till end. See, I am sewing it and we are approaching at the end. Yes, we have done with this. Now see, I am cutting extra threads. This is the easiest way in which there is no need to cut uh, or insert lots of clothes. So here is leaf. I got this nice leaf from the market, but you can apply any pearl or stone. Just turn it like fan shape. Just turn it zigzag shape, in zigzag shape from the middle, and in this fashion you will be able to make a bow. Now take thread and needle and insert it from the back and take it out from above and just sew it like I am doing. Okay, now in this fashion you will be able to make a bow. And there is, if you don't want to apply pearl or stone, then it is okay with this much, so you can leave this like so. There is no need to apply pearls, but I like to apply this because I got this from the market. Then I am applying it. Just insert this. There is a hole inside the there is hole inside this stone. This is the stone in shape of leaf. Actually I really like this shape, that is why I took this, and I am just sewing it with the help of thread and needle. Okay, otherwise it looks good if you don't want to apply anything in between, but I am applying right now. See, it is loop. To make final finishing you can just insert the thread from in between and you can do final finishing of your stone. Just make another fan like shape and insert the thread in between and make another bow. Okay, again I am making this another bow and keeping and inserting this stone into it, and again sew it with the help of thread and needle. There is hole inside this, so I can insert this. So in this fashion you will be able to attach these nice stones with this nice bow. Okay, so just take your sleeves and make a center notch. Just fold it halfway and cut it with help of scissor. In this fashion you are able to make a center notch here. Now keep your ladder like design over here. See, my leaves are going toward downwards, so that is why I am keeping like so. Okay, and then just insert the pin so that it will not go haywire when you are going to sewing machine and sew it. After that just sew this. Again you are going to sew these strips on these two edges like I am doing on one edge first, and then I will do on another edge. See, again sew so that this design will be sticked here, and you are going to sew another strip on both edges. Just remove pin if you require to remove, and then keep sewing it on one edge of this strip, and again I am going to sew this on another edge of this strip. See, I am sewing it. So this is really very nice design which you can make without any without inserting lots of clothes into your sleeves, and this is very finished. From bottom you can mark on the bottom turning required. You just measure the required length and then mark it like so. From bottom this much margin are required, and again you are taking the strip of 1.5 inches width, and lengthwise you are going to take as equal to this bottom. Okay, just keep this strip to somewhat inside of the marked points. Okay, because we are going to sew on these marked line. Okay, we are going to sew on this mark line. Just sew over it. Nowadays such type of designs are demand such designs as there is no stitch is visible toward the front side. Okay, so these designs are in demand because of their invisibility. So just turn the cloth from bottom side somewhat inside. Okay, see carefully how I am doing this. Again you will turn this broad piping toward downside, and then you are going to turn the extra cloth. You can keep it as much thick or as much thin you want to keep, and it will be more finished. See carefully how I did. I turned the extra cloth from the sleeve side and from the piping side like this toward the inner side. Then in this fashion I'll be able to sew both clothes simultaneously, and this will look more finished, and there is no stitch over this uh, on another side of this piping. You can see that more finished and invisible. The stitch will come only on the bottom line where I am stitching right now. So this will look more trendy and finished, and it is more professional way to sew such broad pipings on the bottom of sleeves. You can make such design in your simple sleeves as well. So see, I am able to make two sleeves. Now let's see how to attach these sleeves with your suit or kurti. Take your suit like so, and I already stitched its sides. Now you are going to measure from the front line. This is the front panel. From top like this I am measuring. See carefully how I am measuring with the help of inch tape, because we gave this front line shape, front armhole shape. So I am measuring like so. It comes 9.25 inches in my case. Now now fold your sleeve. This is the front side, so you are going to keep the front side of sleeve toward the front panel of sleeves. This is the only possible case. Sleeves can be attached here only. Sleeve cannot be attached on another shoulder, okay, another armhole. It can be attached here only because we can join front panel with front panel. Now see, again I am measuring in same manner like so as we did in case of our armhole of front panel, and it comes 9.25 inches toward here. Now just mark it, and after that I am going to mark for bottom, sleeves bottom. I require total 14 inches, then 14 divided by 2 is 7 inches. Then I will mark like so, okay, and just go to sewing machine and sew this like this. You can sew this twice. After sewing it, just come here and unfold your sleeves. This is the correct way and professional way to sew your sleeves with your dress, with your suit or kurti. Just insert this like so. See, I am inserting this, and just align two stitches. One more thing to remember is never sew two stitches with each other. Just keep sleeves stitch toward the front line. It provide more flexibility when you wear such kind of sleeves. If you sew both stitches with each other, align with each other, so it will create some problem while moving your shoulders. Okay, so this is the best way to keep your stitch, and just turn the extra clothes on this kurti side toward one side in triangular shape. Okay, and then I am aligning the sleeve cloth and my kurti cloth and this triangular part, and I am inserting the pin over here. Okay, if you are not able to get this, just rewind the video and watch again. On the sleeve side as well, I am turning the extra cloth of sleeves after stitching the sides of sleeves like this in triangular shape. Again I am keeping sleeves cloth and front panel cloth and this triangular shape cloth with each other, and I tuck them with help of pins. Now come to sewing machine and we are going to sew them. Just see how I am sewing it. Keep them like so. Keep sleeves cloth and your panels cloth with each other, and keep sewing after leaving half inches of margin, and keep all clothes of your dress toward another side, so that you will be not able to sew that in between. Some people who are beginner can make this mistake, but see carefully how I am sewing this on sewing machine. Just keep sewing it and keep detaching your pins if you again I am aligning both clothes, sleeve cloth and front panels cloth, panels cloth of your dress, and then keep sewing after leaving half inches of margin. Just keep sewing it round. When you come toward your stitched point, you will stop there. Just keep sewing like I am sewing it. Then your sleeves will be attached. See, I am coming toward the design part. Again I am keeping both clothes on each other and keeping all my panels cloth toward another side, so that I will not sew them in between. Okay, and then keep sewing it till end. See carefully how I am sewing it. I am almost approaching at the end. So yes, you will be able to sew it. Just keep sewing it after leaving half inches of margin. Now see, my sleeves are attached in this fashion. You are going to sew another sleeve in same manner. I am repeating again. Here also you are going to measure this front panel from one side to this shoulder part, and you are going to measure the same on front panel of the sleeves. Keep them fold it like half away, and again you are going to measure it on front panel. You are marking like this over here. Again you are going to measure bottom line of the sleeves and mark it like so. You are going to sew it and unfold it. Put this inside, insert this inside the cloth and sew like this after leaving half inches of margin. Finally, we learn a new design today. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe. Click on Nia Imagination, you will reach to my channel. Here you can click on bell icon. There is bell icon with subscribe button. Please do click on that so that you will get notification as and when I upload my new video. If you click on video column, you will reach to my all videos. If you click on playlist, you can watch all English playlist or any playlist you like. Thank you.